Okay? Stage. Choose a color. Choose a... Box number 3.
Iba. Ibang box na.
Okay. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. And what can you say about the picture? Okay. So what can you do to help, or what can you do to help Mother Nature? If you see the trash on the picture. Anything else? Any more? Okay. Thank you very much. Candidate number 3. How about candidate number 4?